Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Ahmed Sabri, and today we will be explaining to you investment using the contract of Istisna. Now, before I go into the structure of this contract, let us discuss a little bit about the purpose and the objective of this structure. So, the purpose of us raising funds using Istisna, which means to construct or to build, is to provide Sharia compliant financing for developers who need working capital. So we will provide them working capital by purchasing the houses that they are constructing, and then after that taking ownership of those houses and selling them. So for the developer, they receive financing, working capital for their projects, which is Sharia compliant, and for the investor, you will get the benefit of purchasing houses, getting the ownership, and after that benefiting from the profit from the sale of those houses at the end. And Ethis crowd will be facilitating the complete process for you, which we will explain with the diagram. As we mentioned before, the contract of Istisna is for the purpose of construction or building. So in Islam, we cannot sell anything, or we cannot buy anything that does not yet exist. So how do we buy something if it hasn't been constructed or built yet? The answer is we use the contract of Istisna. So in our current deal, we will be facilitating for the crowd to purchase an asset, and then after that take ownership, and then after that sell the asset to earn a profit. So let's get started. In the initial step, the crowd or the investors will appoint Ethis as the agent to facilitate the complete process of constructing the asset and also taking ownership of it, and then later on selling it. After Ethis has been appointed as the agent, Ethis will then send a contract of Istisna investment to the crowd so that they may invest in this project and understand all the terms and conditions of the Istisna arrangement and also the end sale. After the arrangement has been signed and concluded, we will go on to transfer the funds into the account of the project, which we call the project account. Afterwards, the funds will be transferred to the developer to complete the construction of the housing units. The funds are used for the units, and then afterwards, once construction is complete, ownership will be transferred to Ethis as the representative of the crowd, who will be facilitating with funds, and Ethis will be facilitating with manpower, observing the project, and also doing the final analysis to make sure that the project has been completed correctly. This is the first step. The second step is called the murabaha sale, and this is where the houses will be sold and the profit will be earned for the crowd. So the first part is for Ethis to appoint someone as their sub-agent. In this case, it will be the developer because they have already been approached by various people who are interested in purchasing the houses that they have constructed. The agent will then find the end buyers for the homes and start the process of having them screened and approved by the Islamic banks that will provide the end financing. Now, once the end buyer is screened and approved, the process will be facilitated by Ethis for the transfer of the full house purchase price to the project account. Once the funds have been transferred to the project account, the agent will be paid a wakala fee or agency fee, and afterwards the profits that will provide the payouts will be sent to the crowd. And thus we complete our process of construction, taking ownership, selling, and earning the profits from the construction of these houses. And this is how our Istisna deal works. Thank you very much for watching.